Hello investors, I'm Sydnee Gatewood, Editorial Director here at GuruFocus. With the sudden reversal in the market's performance in recent weeks, several of the biggest gurus we follow have shared what measures they recommend investors take to benefit from the decline. Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway, whose portfolio we see here, lost $80 million during the recent downturn, and the insurance conglomerate's annual meeting was closed to the public due to the ongoing coronavirus pandemic. The crisis doesn't seem to be putting him off in regards to investing, however. In a CNBC interview with Becky Quick last month, he said that while the COVID-19 virus was scary stuff, he doesn't believe it should affect what you do in stocks. Howard Marks, the co-founder and co-chairman of Oak Tree Capital, agrees that there is value to be found in the market currently. In a CNBC interview on Monday, he said spending some money is not irrational in this environment. One guru who is doing just that is Royce Investment Partners founder Chuck Royce, who said in an interview that his firm is actively investing across its strategies since it is impossible to determine when the market will bottom out. On the other hand, Oakmark Fund's Bill Nygren recommends investors rebalance their portfolios in order to restore asset allocation. Another guru who has said he does not intend to alter his strategy is Wallace, head of Omaha, Nebraska-based Weitz Investment Management. He said he believes long-term investors are best served to stay calm, stay the course, and avoid reacting to scary news. As for dealing with the economic fallout from the pandemic itself, Bridgewater Associates founder Ray Dalio said in a LinkedIn blog post he believes coordinated monetary policy and fiscal stimulus is the best course of action in counteracting the virus. In a separate blog post, he also expressed the opinion that 0% long-term interest rates will be more harmful than helpful. Pershing Squares Bill Ackman is hoping for an arguably more drastic solution to combating the pandemic. In a Twitter thread addressed to President Trump on Wednesday, the activist investor called for an extended spring break, where the country is shut down for 30 days and the borders are closed, with only essential services remaining in operation. Whatever the outcome, the world's most successful value investors recommend staying the course. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. See you all next time.